Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be answering a question from one of the comments. So how to install pip. Go into your terminal. Ooh. There. And then type in sudo apt get install pip. Enter. And since I already have it installed, it shows right here python 3-pip. So in case you're trying to install something with pip and it doesn't work with just regular pip, you might have the python 3-pip instead. So if you want to pip something, try both commands. So try pip or try python 3-pip. Alright, that'll be it for today. Well, for right now, catch you later. Bye.